Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. So, in our previous video, we have learned how we can use the rebar set to provide the reinforcement in various structural members of your model. Today, we will learn how you can use Quick Launch so that you can find your applications easily, and you can also look for the different commands that are used in modeling. So one way was to go over here in the ribbon and look for the command that you want. Like for the plates, you have different types of plate over here. Now, what if you want to find a hidden command, or you want to find any command easily? So for that, we have a provision of Quick Launch. So here in the Quick Launch, you can search for any application. Like I am looking for a beam, so it will give me a bunch of options which is containing beam in it. Like we have create concrete spiral beam, create concrete poly beam, and there are many more things. Similarly, you can choose for slab and you will get all the options related to slab over here. And it will also show you what are the recent commands that you have used and what are the commands that are there in the ribbon, and below that you will get all the commands related to slab. Let's try it for one more time for the column. Columns in the ribbon have already been highlighted, and you are also getting a bunch of options which have the word column in it. Now let's see how you can use it. Like if I want to create a steel column, then I will just click on that and click anywhere over here. And you can also change the properties similarly as you used to change it from here. Like if I want to create a concrete polybeam, then I will look for beam and then choose create concrete polybeam, and after that I can start my modeling from here. I will just double click over here, you will get your polybeam. So this is how you can use the Quick Launch to ease your modeling. And if you want us to make video on any particular topic in Tekla Structures, then you can write your suggestion in the comment box. And if you want to join our professional training for Tekla Structures, then you can just give a call on this number. And in this training, we will cover all these points, like how you can study the structural drawings, introduction of Tekla structures, creation of the grid lines, modeling, application box, reinforcement detailing, drawings, and also the report generation, that is rebar scheduling. So that was all for today. See you in the next video.